at 4 o'clock, June 16th, Friday, 2023, at the DIXON Fairgrounds, Fort Sutter Antique Motorcycle Club of America National Meet. And the gentleman brought his collection of Crockers, 12 in all. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime view here of these amazing historic machines.
Yeah, there is a little bit of difference in the red design and the rocker colors. Yeah.
You're easily looking at $1 million worth of motorcycles right there, easily. Nice guy, huh?
Like whoever brings a museum out here to show you for the cost of walking past it. You know, I go to these museums on occasion. There's lots of motorcycle museums. You probably know of a few yourself.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, they hardly do anything for me. Because, you know, when you show up like this here, you know, you're like, this is all real.
This is real.
Yeah, the museum, you never know. Unless it's like maybe like the Harley Museum or the, you know, Corvette Museum where they're specific for that brand and they're keeping a history of that particular bike. I do like those museums, but collector museums,
That is just amazing. Just absolutely amazing. Your name is?
Oh, my name's Cullah. How about yourself?
Chris.
Hey, Chris. Are you local?
San Jose.
Yeah, I'm in San Francisco.
Oh, okay.
But I've seen his bikes in Bivens' shop when I go down there to get my bike worked on. All right, Chris. Take care.
You too.
What bike do you ride?
Honda Valkyrie, actually.
Honda?
My daily ride, but I got all my project junk iron. Wish I could get to, right? That's why I'm here. But if I had known this was here, I would have made sure I came specifically for this and for no other reason, because I wouldn't need another reason, right? But yeah, amazing.